Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Here's a neat little project that's pretty easy to draw, and I could take it a lot further. I might take it further and do some shadowing in between here. But I put it on an angle, and you can see the lines that I did. So I'm going to take any size oval, but I want it exactly, I'm going to hit the plus key. And with my four-sided cross, I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to hold down the control button so it's perpendicular. And then I'm going to grab it, and it should snap right to it. It doesn't have to be anywhere. You can see on the quadrant. Now I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm just going to get a line that I can kind of cut anywhere in there. And now what I want to do is cut away that line. That's all I needed. Now, I'm going to take let me see how big this is. 7 inches. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 9. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to start with a lighter color. And I'm going to fill that in and that in. Now, if we look at it in, basically I got that shape, but I want that shape one more time. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to nudge it over twice, but then I'm going to left click and right click in red, then I'm going to put it back. And when I go back to the pick tool, it'll be the one pick. So I'm going to get my 2-sided arrow and just kind of bring that in a little bit. So it's kind of getting that curvature of that shape. Now we're going to get the Smart Fill tool again and do these two. And I'm actually going to combine them so they'll be all one object. And then I will add some Smart Fill here. The only thing you need to interactive Smart Fill or interactive fill, the only thing you really need to pay attention to, we're going to go the other way, is that you want this section right here kind of level, because we're going to, let's add some blue over here. And we want this section to be perpendicular, so when we match them up, then we can take, we've already got that part. Now we can take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that other void spot. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make it that dark blue and nudge it over. That's all that's to it. Control G to group it together. Control D to duplicate it. And instead of mirroring it, I've got to flip it 180 degrees. And then all you have to do is take that corner node and put it right there. Look at that. Control D to make a duplicate, and then you can just move it down. Whoop. I got to get the 4-point and just put it right there. Now we're going to have some separation lines, but if I Control D again and again, now I'm going to actually turn it on its side, so I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. I just think it looks cooler. But there are some lines, little bitty lines that from the separation. So if we change our nudge factor to like 0.01, which is nothing, and we nudge this up, like 2 clicks, the line goes away. 2 clicks, the line goes away. It's not going to distort your graphic, but it's going to get rid of that line, and that's it. And then when we add a dark box to it, like a black object order back a page, it really makes it stand out. I still think I need to shadow this inside of this curve somehow. And if I figure that out, I will be doing that also. Anyway, little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.